Hi there, welcome to this brief demo of the Dugong.com platform. We have used some numbers to help us navigate the demo. So, like other social media channels, our users will spend most of their time here on the homepage newsfeed. In figure 1, this is where our users will come to post and share what's on their mind. So whether it's the secondhand jeans Dale bought in his local Thriftify store or photos of the Planet friendly protest he was at the weekend, here's where he will start his posting journey. Figure 2 is where our users will consume most of their information on the Dugong platform, the newsfeed. Figure 3 is where our users will do the vast majority of their learning. So our learning center, our Dugong influencers, our what's happening events. Figure 4 is an example of how we'll monetize the site through display ads and other advertising solutions. As we move to our individual profiles, this is probably where our users will spend the second most of their time. Figure 1 is where Dale has his identity, so his profile picture, username, and it'll be a place where I can easily come to follow Dale. Figure 2 is where Dale will store all of his content, so any posts he's made on the platform will be stored here. Figure 3 is more getting to know Dale and what he cares about, so he'll have the opportunity to share what his commitments are to the planet or his sustainability journey, and any goals and topics he follows. And figure 4 is simple, where he'll organize his Dugong ecosystem. Thank you.